Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to play YouTube music in Discord. First, open up the Discord. Tap on the direct message icon from the top left corner. Then open up your friend's server. After that, click to open a new tab. Then search here Pancake Discord bot. Now click to open its site. After opening the site, click to invite bot. Select a server to provide the Pancake access in Discord. After selecting your server, tap on Continue. Then click on Authorize to complete the process. Tick the checkbox to confirm you're human. Now you've successfully invited Pancake to your Discord. Then open up the Discord tab. Click to open the Health Love server. Then hit the arrow beside Health Love. Tap on Setup and get back to your channel. Now type in !play. Then paste the link of the video you want to play in here. Then type in !join and send it. As you can see, your Pancake bot says you're not in a voice channel. Again, type in !join. Then click to play the video you sent in the channel. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.